I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on the exact numbered list to change. Place the cursor inside the numbered paragraph or select the entire list. This ensures Word applies changes only to that list. Once done, look up to the Home ribbon and find the Numbering and Multilevel List buttons. Those control numbering behavior. Make sure you're not in a header/footer unless you mean to be. If the list is part of a style, note that styles may reapply numbering. We'll handle styles next so the change sticks. Now remove numbering. With the list selected, click the numbering drop-down and choose None. This stops visible numbering immediately. If numbering returns, open Multilevel List, choose Define New List Level, and set link level to style or unlink it so numbering won't reapply. For single paragraph fixes, clear direct paragraph formatting by pressing Ctrl+Q then Ctrl+Shift+N. This strips numbering that was applied directly. Make sure to inspect adjacent paragraphs. Word can continue numbering across paragraphs unless you break the list. Finish by checking the whole document for unintended list continuations. If numbering restarts where it shouldn't, select that item and choose Restart at 1 or Continue from Previous to Control Sequence. You can also modify the paragraph style to remove numbering permanently. If problems persist, turn on Show/Hide to reveal page and section breaks. These break list chains. One troubleshooting tip. If a style keeps reapplying numbering, modify the style definition and update all instances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.